During a holiday in Tasmania, we did a short cruise along the South Esk River within the Cataract Gorge. It took us under this lovely old bridge, the King's Bridge. Yes, it's another bridge story. This bridge was designed by William Doyne in 1861. Way back then, there were no facilities locally for the manufacture of wrought iron arch fabrications. The component parts were manufactured in Manchester, England, and then shipped to Tasmania as small sub-assemblies. The arch superstructures were assembled remotely onto a floating pontoon. This work was carried out by the local firm Salisbury Engineering Works, Launceston, Tasmania in 1863. The following details are from my readings on the internet, combined with a fair bit of imagination, so there may be some minor variations from the true facts. The watermark along the face of the Cataract Gorge confirms that the South Esk River is tidal. It's connected to the Tamar River, which in turn flows out into the Bass Strait, causing both rivers to ebb and flow with the tide. These tidal movements are an important element to the bridge installation process. As can be seen in this old photo, the entire bridge superstructure was securely assembled on this pontoon with the aid of a temporary support structure. It was then towed by steamship to its intended location. Concrete abutments had been precast on each side of the river as depicted in these sketches. The intention of the sketch 1 is to show the assembled arch on the pontoon when elevated above the abutments at high tide. As the tide recedes, the river level and the arch-loaded pontoon will subside as shown here on the second sketch. In addition to the ebbing tide, I suspect the pontoon bilge might have been opened to a controlled flooding rate to accelerate the lowering of the entire rig. Then, as the footplates of the arch make contact with the concrete abutments, the pontoon's bilge would probably have been further flooded to fully release it from its 105 tonnes of iron bridge burden. This would have been necessary because, as the concrete abutments take up the full weight of the bridge structure, the pontoon would equally regain its buoyancy. This single carriageway bridge replaced the old punt ferry. It now provided for the horse-drawn traffic at that time. However, 40 years later, with a rapidly growing population, the need for a dual carriageway became apparent. The local company, Salisbury Foundry, was awarded the contract to manufacture and erect a duplication of the original bridge. This was completed in 1904. The new bridge girders were erected on the same pontoon that had been used all those years before on the original old bridge. Alongside the old bridge and fully integrated with it, it became this very attractive dual carriageway that continues to service its local community to this very day.